And that's what I'm going to show you here. So if you blow this thing really big, obviously you'll see a whole bunch of like, you know, bad pixels. So I like to go and fix them. See, there's one right here. All right. There's this thing called a clone tool. It's a little stamp. What you want to do is, I don't want it too big. Kind of want it small, about the same size as that circle. These white dots, see this white dot here? There's a couple here. It just happened to be like flashes of light is what, either that or a speck on the, it could be anything really. So what you do is you push the Alt button, hold it down, sample next to the spot that you want to fix, right? So you hold the Alt button down, you click on it like that, hold it down, move over to the spot, then let up off the Alt button. Then click on your mouse, and like magic, it's gone. I could even go to this spot, this spot. Once you set the tool, you see this, that's a little funky, so I want to kind of add to it like that, see? Obviously, if you push the, you can do it anytime you want. You don't have to like hold the same thing. You just change the tool, you know, sample a little bit different areas. See I'm kind of like, hear the click of the button. See, hold it down, let up, push. Oh yeah, that's my puzzle friend. When it's a puzzle that when you take the pieces off, it actually tells you numbers and stuff of the animals 1 through 20, and it seems to want to talk to me when it starts getting dark in the day. All right, see this spot right here? I want to make the photo as true to the picture, you know, like I want it to be the original photo, but sometimes you want to fix some stuff because it just doesn't. I mean, why not fix something that can be fixed? And if you don't need to fix it, don't. So like this, I don't know, it's just about like sampling. It's kind of like putting, I'm not a, yeah. You know, sometimes you have to, this looks like I might have spit my, sorry, coffee on the thing or something, I don't know. Okay, see this red spot? That's called a hash mark, that where the machine will cut it, and see that fold? You know, I could fix that. But what I'm trying to do is I want this photo to be nice. So when you look at it, it's not like, it doesn't look like you like just, well, it looks like you took the picture, but it doesn't look like, I mean, I want to at least use some artistic skill. So, okay, I'm going to click on the mouse button. See how I hold it down, click on the mouse button, then let up, like that. See? And if you don't like it, undo it by Control Z. See? You liked it, go back. Don't like it, see, Z, no Z, Z, no Z. All right. See the arrow? I'm clicking right on that line, right? Then I'm gonna let up when I get to this spot on the line above it. See? Then I'm gonna let up on Alt, click. Look at that, oh yeah. Clean that. Okay, too much, huh? Right? Starts looking a little. You could fix some things, I guess. I don't know. Maybe you don't go too far. Yeah, what's it here? Let up. Bam. Yeah. All right, well, no, I don't want that fold. Got to get rid of it. So that's what I'm going to do. And bam. See, just kind of clicking around. Heck with it. Just going to go for it. There you go. I'd rather have that than that weird fold smudge thing. There we go. Let me get rid of this red spot. That looks cool. Go across. There is no spots. Maybe one right here. Oh, one right here. Hear me clicking on the mouse, clicking on the button, holding the Alt. Click on the mouse. Go to the spot. Let up. Pretty simple. So obviously this is probably going to be video 1 of like 4 or something. I've done this forever. I'm just new to the video game. So I sound like kind of, I know I probably sound weird. Bam, look at that. There's a spot right here. See this spot right here? I can even just do it from above. I call it from above because I'm not zoomed in, right? Zoom in is control plus or minus. See? Plus, minus, plus, minus. Minus, 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 plus, 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 plus. So I make these like little icon things, right? They're like 24 pixels, but I blow them up and I work on them. That's how you do it. Get it? Yeah. All right. Looks good? I agree. Okay. Don't want to take away like some of this natural stuff. Just wanted that stupid fold and that some spots. All right. Go to image. Scroll down to image size. Look at it. And you're like, 72 pixels. That's a web image, so we're going to keep it like that. I'm just going to keep it. It's 1,000 pixels by 800. That's a pretty good. It's like when you make it 100% and it fits inside of a normal screen, that to me would be proper art. You know, you can blow it up if you want to by pushing, zoom, but looking at the picture normally that fits in with the window is awesome, right? If you want, you can adjust a little bit of brightness and contrast. I like to do that. Makes it look just a little bit more vibrant, like a -2 +2. Look at that, see? Now, I'm gonna do a couple things. I like to make this a PDF that you can print. I know that this is going to become a digital asset like an NFT, but I also like to say, hey, anybody that purchases also gets a PDF file sent to them that they can print, use, whatever they want. So not only they have a digital file and they have proof of it and it's worth something, it's also worth something that they can print, make images, whatever. That's what I think true art. It's not about making the NFT. It's about providing art. Get it? And then you also have like a certificate, which is a digital fund, which is Ethereum based, worth something. But you don't just get the dumb image on a website.